guys, what's up? It's Kristen and these are my reviews, and today I'm going to be doing a Transcend unboxing for you. If you don't know about Transcend, there is no styling fee. They just charge $1 to your credit card, and they send you a box and you decide what you want to keep. I think you have like 5 days until you want to return, and they send 3 bundles, but in the packet they send you an envelope. In that envelope is a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Lori R. And I have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. And if you like these kind of videos and you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get to it. Okay, so here's the first bundle. It says Moms Can Change the World. So there it is. Okay. In this bundle, oh, it looks like I have a navy blue tank top with pom-poms. And it is the Evereve Allison Joy size small pom-pom tank. It's $48. Then in there is a bralette, it looks like. And this is on sale for $12.99. It's Free People. Let me show you the tag on that. You can see it. There we go. Okay, next item is an off-the-shoulder long sleeve top. It's kind of like a charcoal gray. It is marked down from $68 to $54 to $39.99. And it's the Evereve Allison Joy charcoal black OTS sweatshirt, it says. Okay. And the next item is some cut from the cloth white jeans. And these are the cut from the cloth Reese with step hem, $89. Size 0. That's the first outfit, so we'll try that on. Okay, so here's the next bundle. And it says on here, everyone has gold inside. Let's open it up. All right. Oh, and this looks like a olive color t-shirt dress, but it's cinched at the side. I think I've gotten this already in a different color. And it's cinched. It is on sale. It is the Allison Joy Reagan side ruched dress. It was $58. It's down to $34.99. You can see that. Okay, and the next is this navy blue shift dress. It's really cute. And this one's actually marked down as well. This is the Allison Joy Ella shift dress. It was $78 down to $62 down to $44.99. Really cute. There's 2 dresses in that bundle, it looks like. And then the last bundle says Love Like a Mom. They always send that one to me. Okay, this top here, it's kind of like a see-through kind of top. And that item is on sale as well. It's the Allison Joy mesh tee, $58 down to $49.99. Okay, let's put that over here. All right, so this top here is olive green tank, and that is the Suzette collection size olive spider crisscross tank. It was $28 and it's down to $14.99. But I'm thinking this might actually, this one's down to $7.99. Yeah, $7.99. That price isn't correct. So here it is. And then it looks like some skinny jeans here. These are Free People. They're like dark very dark, and they're stretched at the top, and they're cinched at the bottom, like cut at the bottom. And these are $58. They're Free People Easy Goes It leggings in dark denim, and they are size 24, and they're $58. Okay, you're gonna see the try-ons on the side. I'll do the try-ons after this so you guys can see what everything looks like in my opinion. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have the next top on. It's the off-the-shoulder charcoal color top and the Free People bralette on. The bralette's really cute. It's only $12.99, but this is extremely hot. Like I said, it's really hot here in Pennsylvania, and I think I'm gonna pass on this because I put it on and I'm like sweating. So this one's probably gonna be a no. Okay, so the next item is this blue shift dress. It's really cute, but it's just a little bit baggy back here for my liking. It's cute, it's just a little bit big. It's not really my style. I like shift dresses, but it's kind of hot as well, the material. So I'm probably gonna pass on this one as well. So next is this olive green dress. It kind of cinches on the side here, but it's just not very flattering at all. It just doesn't look right in this area, and it's just, I don't know. It just doesn't fit me well at all. So I'm gonna pass on this one as well. Okay, so these Free People pants just did not fit me at all. So I'm gonna be sending these back. They just would not go on. They're super tight right here. So I'm gonna pass on those. Here is the olive green top, which is really cute for $7.99. And it's got really cool stuff in the back here. Really nice. And then pair it with this top here, which is this mesh top, which is really cute. I really like it. It's kind of like off the shoulder, and I can wear it with like some shorts like this. It's really cute. See the mesh? It's kind of meshy. So it's really cute. This is really nice. These two might be a keeper. I'm not sure yet. But hey guys, so I'm coming back. I'm on the fence of purchasing this top here, possibly for $7.99. Everything else is like pretty much a miss. I really didn't care for it. The last few boxes I haven't been impressed with. I might change my location of the store that it's coming from so I can get maybe a different stylist, but I'm just like not impressed at all. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if I should keep this top or not. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.